Hi students, today I wanted to read a book called Circus Shapes. This book was written by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Edward Miller. Looking at the picture on the front cover, I see some circles, I see some rectangles, I see triangles and squares, and then the name of the book, the title, is Circus Shapes. I think I know what this book is about. Do you? I think it's about shapes. Maybe I'll see a circle. A circle is two-dimensional. It's flat. And it's made of one curved line. It has no straight lines. Maybe I'll see a rectangle. A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. It's flat. You could trace it on a piece of paper very easily because it's flat. You could draw it on a piece of paper. You would need two straight lines. See the two straight lines here? And you would need two straight lines here. But a rectangle, you have to have two that are long and two that are short. That's a rectangle. It has corners that look like a piece of paper corner. See? It almost looks like the piece of paper. It has four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 sides. And they're all straight. A square has 4 straight lines and 4 corners, and the corners look like a piece of paper corner. However, the special thing about a square is that all 4 of these sides are equal. They are the same. It's flat. It's a two-dimensional shape. Maybe I'll even see a hexagon. Who knows? I love hexagons. Hexagons have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 vertices, or corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has all straight lines, no curves, and it is also flat. It's two-dimensional. Maybe I'll see a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 3 vertices, or corners. 1, 2, 3. This is a special triangle. All of the sides are equal. All of the corners look the same. It looks the same no matter which way you turn it. That's a special kind of triangle. But it doesn't have to be like that in order to be a triangle. The only rule for triangles is that it has to have 3 straight lines and 3 corners. Is this a triangle? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides, all straight. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices, 3 corners. Is it a triangle? Yes. Do all of the corners look the same? No. This one looks like the corner of a piece of paper, just like the square's corner or the rectangles. These corners don't look like that at all. So it has different corners. It's not that same kind of special triangle, but it is still a triangle. Let's read Circus Shapes and find out about some shapes. Circus Shapes by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Edward Miller. What shapes do you see? A circle and a square. The circus is in town and we all get to go. Our seats are way up high. We're ready for the show. The ringmaster arrives in a funny little car. A man on stilts walks in. He's a favorite circus star. Do you hear some rhymes too? Car, star. Elephants make a circle and then march round and round. Circles are round. They have no straight lines. See the circles? How many circles are there? You could pause this video and count them. The circus band starts playing. The tent fills up with sound. Sound, round. It rhymes. Oh, I see some more circles. What is a circle on this page? How many are there? White horses make a triangle, 3 corners and 3 sides. Count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Also, 3 vertices or corners. 1, 2, 3. And it doesn't matter if they all look like this one or if they look a little different, like that one. If it's got 3 sides and 3 corners, it's a triangle. How many triangles do you see on this page? You might have to pause so that you can count them all. The clowns are pulling wagons. The dancing dogs get rides. Some monkeys make a square. The 4 sides are all the same. So squares have 4 equal sides, sides that are all the same. The lions start their roaring. They aren't very tame. Same, tame. The bears form a rectangle, 2 sides short and 2 sides long. Remember, we talked about that. Here's our 2 short sides. Here's our 2 long sides. It's still a rectangle even if you turn it. Now the short sides are the top and bottom, and the long sides are the left and right. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners or vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Acrobats are twirling to a special circus song. Circus shapes are everywhere. The tent is all aglow. How many circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles can you find? This is a great page to pause the video and count all the shapes and see how many circles there are, how many triangles there are, how many squares there are, and how many rectangles there are. The ringmaster blows his whistle. It's time to end the show. Thank you for reading Circus Shapes with me. Was this book about 2-dimensional shapes that are flat or 3-dimensional shapes that are fat? You're right. This is all about 2-dimensional shapes. We showed a circle. It's 2-dimensional, no straight lines. We showed a square and a rectangle. Both of those have 4 straight sides. They both have 4 corners. That's how they're the same. But they are different because the square sides are all equal. They're all the same. And a rectangle, it's not. They have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. We also found some triangles in this book. Triangles have 3 straight sides and 3 corners. They might have the same length. It could have 3 equal sides, but they don't have to. Did we get to see my friend the hexagon? He wasn't in this book, but I like the hexagon. Let's count his sides again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. How many corners or vertices does the hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 corners or 6 vertices. These are all 2-dimensional shapes. They are flat. Only the circle has curves. Everything else is made of straight lines. Thanks so much for reading the book Circus Shapes with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about 2D shapes.